Welcome to this edition of Spotlight. We are at Chinn Elementary with Principal Lee Heinerikson. And Lee, some students are getting their hands dirty and learning about the plant cycle in a new club here at Chinn. Can you tell us about the gardening club?
I would love to. As you can see behind us, we have a raised beds garden, and this has truly been a community event. We have an outstanding PTA who volunteered to give us money to raise these gardens up. And through that, we've had a staff member named Mrs. Gill that has organized this club to really teach kids how to plant, how plants grow, and then in turn, what we're going to do with the plants that grow is use them in our cafeteria or even donate that to some community services. So it really is just truly a community event here at Chinn.
Well, we're excited to see and watch the process of the gardening club as we spotlight Chinn Elementary.
In garden club, the things we've planted are, we've planted onions and we've planted avocados back there. And we've also planted like some, I forgot what it's called, spinach, I think. Yeah, and carrots. First we plant, then we check on it, and then it's like, oh, it's not growing, and then we come back the next week, it's sprouting, so then we water it, and then the next week it's even bigger, so then we water it more. We get to dig and plant the seeds with the tools, and I like that because I like getting dirt on my hands.
I hope they learn how to garden and how to be able to get food a different way than the standard of what we do as Americans, going out getting fast food. They can grow their own foods because we've gotten so far away from that, and being able to make healthier choices.
It is healthy to plant stuff, and sometimes it's even more healthy than what stuff you get from the grocery store. I learned don't water the actual plant, water around the soil. And also that you don't just plant, you have to plant it a certain way depending on what it is. Like if it's a bean, you have to plant them like in separate, and then in onions you have to plant them in rows.
So it's actually you doing something and then you watching it prosper, you watching it grow, and I think that really makes a person feel good about themselves.
Since I like onions, I want to see them like once they're that big and see how they grow into bigger ones. It's just really fun to be with my friends and discuss about the right things to do in garden club and to make other people healthy.
We are going to harvest them and we're going to eat them. And it's open to all the teachers in the school. They can make a salad if they want to because we have onions, we have lettuce, we have chard, kale, anything, tomatoes. So the kids also are able to take them home as well.